In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate efficiently by sharing a project with your team, ensuring everyone has the right access and permissions. Now, let's get started. Imagine you're working on an important project and you want to bring in your team members to contribute their expertise. To do this effectively, you'll first need to open the project you're working on. This might be a document, a presentation, or any other type of collaborative file. Make sure you have it open and ready to go on your device. Once you have your project open, your next task is to locate the Share button. This button is typically found in the upper right corner of your project window, whether you're using cloud-based services or software platforms. Clicking Share is your gateway to bringing other people into your workspace. After clicking on Share, you'll see a prompt or a new window that allows you to add team members to your project. This usually involves entering email addresses or selecting names from a list of contacts if they're already set up in your system. Make sure you have the correct information because adding the wrong email can either invite unintended people or cause delays as you sort out miscommunications. Even if you work closely with these individuals daily, checking the details twice ensures there are no hitches in the process. Once you've added the necessary email addresses, the next step is to set permissions for each member you're inviting. Permissions are crucial because they control how much access each person has to your project. Typically, you'll have options such as view only, comment, and edit. Decide what type of input or influence you need from each team member. For instance, if you want someone to simply review the document without making changes, view only should work perfectly. If someone needs to provide feedback, then comment is your best bet. For those who will be actively involved in editing and making changes, edit access is necessary. Take a moment to think through these roles, as setting the correct permissions will streamline your collaboration process and avoid any access issues later on. Finally, after setting permissions, remember to save or apply your changes. This step often completes the sharing process, and your team members will immediately receive an invitation or a notification giving them access to the project as per the permissions you've set. As a tip, always follow up with a quick message or email to let them know what their role entails and the expectations you have for them on this project. Following these steps not only improves teamwork but also enhances the overall efficiency and success of your project. And that's it. You've now learned how to effectively share your project with team members, ensuring everyone has the access they need to collaborate seamlessly. Thank you for tuning in and happy collaboration.